Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mercy, DiscountLowVoltage.com, and today we're going to take a quick look at our Category 6A patch cables. Let's get to it. Our Cat6a patch cables are made of high-quality American-made stranded shielded cable, certified shielded Cat6a modular plugs, and assembled right here in America. The cable used is Quabbin wire and cable, and they've been manufacturing cable since 1975 out of the Northeast. Over the years, they've also established themselves as one of the premier cable manufacturers for cable assemblies. Now, our Cat6a shielded plugs are conductor separated. Using a Cat6a plug ensures that your cable exceeds Cat6a performance, not just using an RJ45 plug. All our cables are always tested on a fluke tester before they go out the door. You can order online at DiscountLowVoltage.com. Thanks. On.